This vegetable have a lot of names. Bhindi, okra, lady's finger. In my place it's called as Venddakkai. Let's make a Chatpate fry with this simple, beautiful, delicious vegetable. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe we can serve for 3 guests. We need 250 grams of okra or bhindi. Cut into small dices. Make sure it's equally diced. Half teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Half teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Quarter teaspoon of garam masala. How to make garam masala? Visit my channel. You get a beautiful recipe. 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Combine well. Let all the spices mix it well. 1/4 cup of Besan flour or chickpea. 2 tablespoons of rice flour. 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Combine well. Coat each and every bhindi very well. Add few drops of water. Mix well. Onto a very hot oil. Fry the bhindi one by one. Small batches at a time. Fry until it's crispy and crunchy. Remove from the oil. Drain all the oil. Transfer the bhindi to a kitchen towel lined plate. Keep it aside. It's not yet finished. We have some more twist to go. Onto a pot, 2 tablespoons of oil. 15 pieces of cashew nut. Fry until golden in color. Drain all the oil from the cashew nut. Remove to a bowl. Onto the same oil, half cup of peanuts. Fry the peanuts. Drain all the oil. Transfer to the same bowl. 6 pieces of green chilies. Just slit and fry it. Drain it. Add to the same bowl. Few curry leaves. Fry it until crisp. Drain it. Add to the same bowl again. Crush some garlic, 5 cloves. With skin, add to the oil. If you need, add little bit more oil and fry it until it's golden. Drain all the oil. Add to the same bowl. Half teaspoon of chili powder. Combine well. The oil from the nuts is there. It will be beautifully combined. Transfer the fried okra to a bowl. Add the fried nuts mix. Combine well. You will get a beautiful Chatpate bhindi fry, okra gumbo fry. See how crispy it is? Very easy to make. Take like this. Just enjoy and eat. Get some peanut, get some cashew nut. Keep on eating. Keep on eating. Crispy, beautiful, tasty recipe. While enjoying and eating, please support me by subscribing my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. See you with there. new video. Bye.